Hello guys, I'm your presenter Disha Bhagwat. Welcome to my channel Drip Creations. In this channel you can see the videos based on two topics. One is the editing and next one is the biking. As I said the editing, in this video we have recreated the effect from the famous movie Across to the Moon, where the boy is cycling in the sky. Now what are you waiting for? Now let's start the video. For this effect, you have to place the green screen as wide as possible, where the entire cycle should cover, and tell your friend to hold the cycle like this, and make sure to reverse the pedal. Now place your green screen video to the video layer 2, and take the pen tool and draw the rough figure throughout the cycle. After these steps, search for the Ultra Key effect from the effects panel, and pick the eyedropper tool and select the green screen. After that, place the background image to the video layer 1, and select the green screen video and go to the effects control. Enable the animation key of rotation and position. After that, in the first frame of animation, change the rotation axis to -5.5 and position to 1450. And in the ending of the frame, again change the rotation axis to +5.5 and position to 500. And for the realistic video, make the animation little bit curved. After these steps, the video should look like this. And make your green screen video a little bit darker because the bright moon is behind. And make sure to reverse the video because you have reversed the pedal. For the realistic effect, I have added the clouds, and the cloud video link is in the description. Add the clouds to the video layer 3 and 4 and apply the Ultra Key and remove the green screen like how we did before. And the final output should be like this. That's all guys, this is how you recreate the effects. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button. And if you have any doubts, mention in the comment below. But make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get the first notifications in your phone. And my last words is, be innovative.